Hi, I'm Ryan Moore, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I made these custom professional logos. They're all unique. A real professional logo has unique graphics, it has really good font, and the colors match. So you want to make sure you do that, and I'm going to show you how to do that and how to have original graphics like the ones you see here. All of these are original graphics, and I used AI so that you don't have to draw it out and sketch it and all this programming language stuff. You don't have to know any of that. This is a really great way to make logos. So let's get it on and let me show you how it works. If you go to Logo Maker, LOGOMAKR .com, you could, and I'll put that link below, you could just go to the AI logo generator tool right here. And this tool will pump out amazing designs for you. It removes the background and it allows you to color it in the way you want to color it. So let's go ahead and generate a logo right here. And just go here and it's going to ask you what your logo name is. So I'm going to go ahead and put in Cafe 360. Let's just say we're a cafe. What does your business do? You can put whatever you want, but I would suggest saying we're a small cafe or whatever it is. More description, the better. And then say what type of tone do you want? Want a playful tone or silly tone or sexy? Let's do playful. And it's going to say, do you have any icons in mind? If you don't, what it'll do is it'll create some icons right here, some samples. I like clicking the other button, which will literally say, hey, type in what you want. So a sexy girl holding a cup of coffee, you could type in whatever you want. A bear holding a cup of coffee. You know what? I'm going to say a happy bear, and I misspelled coffee. And let's see what happens. So let's go there, and I'm going to go ahead and press, I don't know, vintage sounds good. And I'll let them choose the colors for the vintage there. And it's going to say review and submit. So you can look over this. If you need anything changed, just click on it. If not, click generate, and it's going to generate your graphics right now. So this should take about 20 to 30 seconds depending on the graphic itself. And then once it's done, it's going to go to a page, which it should come up shortly. And it's going to show you this cool little graphic that I made. And what's cool about this, it automatically matches the colors, which you could change if you wanted to. And you could choose a style. So they give you like 6 styles here. And you could also change the font here if you wanted to. But it allows you to edit it. So if I click on this right here, I could click and edit this. And I could change the background if I wanted the background to be changed to darker or whatever you want. And I could change the fonts if I wanted to as well. So all of these layers right here is what it gives you. It gives you all of these layers. What's cool about this is they have a transparent background so that you could, make it transparent on your website and printing, which is really cool about this. So if I go back to my history, you'll see I made a bunch of other ones like a frog and whatnot. And let's go ahead and click on that one. Notice it has a transparent background right there, which is awesome. If you want, you could just get rid of like stuff in the background. Like let's say I wanted to get rid of stuff like that. And I wanted to color this differently, which is cool to do. You could do that as well, just like this. And you could just start playing with the colors and playing with stuff, and it's super fun to do. So if I want, I could just totally change all of these colors here and make it totally custom to me. And it's kind of fun to do. So I'm going to go ahead and do that just a little bit there. That looks good. Oh, I love that. That looks really awesome. So I just played with that just a little bit. I mean, it's only taking me couple seconds to play with the colors. And let's say I don't want this 2024. I want it to say maybe established in 1990 or something like that. And then I'm going to click on the Happy Frog one. And let's go ahead. I'm going to move that to the top so it doesn't affect me. And I'm going to type in, I don't know, Ryan's Design or something like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and change the font to something else. There you go. And I could now resize this and move it to what I want, where I want. So it looks kind of cool. I mean, I would probably make this font a little bit bolder or something like that. Maybe like this. But you get the idea. You could really start playing with this and make it look totally awesome. And when you're done, just press save right here. And it's going to save it as a URL. So you could copy and paste this URL. And it's your unique URL. Anytime you go to this URL, it will take you back to this logo right here. When you want this logo and you want to download it, just go ahead and click download options. And it'll take you to the checkout page where you could get the low resolution. I highly recommend getting either the basic or even the pro. I get the pro so I could change. It's editable, so you could have different variations of this. Plus, they give you social media files, and they give you a discount rate. So you're getting like 6 of these for the price of, it's a discount rate. So you're not just having to pay $29 over and over if you want different iterations of these. So that's what I get. I get the 60 there. And there you have a professional logo that typically would cost you well over $200 to $300 to get this. And you could always go back to the AI generator here and keep generating more and more stuff until you're satisfied with what you want. So I created a bunch of different designs here. And I'm just kind of playing with it and stuff. So this is super fun, and I love it. And let me know what you guys think.